Hi kids. Let's learn 100 popular words in Hebrew. Let's go.
פירות,
Fruit,
תפוח,
apple,
ענבים,
grapes,
אבטיח,
watermelon,
בננה,
banana,
גזר,
carrot,
ירקות,
vegetables,
בצל,
onions,
לימון,
lemon,
שום,
garlic,
עגבנייה,
tomato,
מלפפון,
cucumber,
חלקי גוף,
body parts,
עין,
eye,
אוזניים,
ears,
לב,
heart,
אף,
nose,
רגל,
leg,
שפם,
moustache,
שיער,
hair,
חיות,
animals,
חתול,
cat,
כלב,
dog,
דג,
fish,
אריה,
lion,
ארנב,
rabbit,
נחש,
snake,
סוס,
horse,
עז,
goat,
חמור,
donkey,
גמל,
camel,
פיל,
elephant,
חזיר,
pig,
נמלה,
ant,
צפרדע,
frog,
יתוש,
mosquito,
ציפור,
bird,
פרה,
cow,
פרפר,
butterfly,
קוף,
monkey,
דוב,
bear,
כבש,
sheep,
עכבר,
mouse,
לטאה,
lizard,
ברווז,
duck,
הודו,
turkey,
שמש,
sun,
משפחה,
family,
אבא,
father,
אמא,
mother. Wow, you are doing amazing. We've made it halfway. What has been your favorite word so far? Tell us in the comments. And if you are having fun, give this video a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button.
ילדה,
Girl,
ילד,
boy,
בת,
daughter,
אח,
brother,
אחות,
sister,
אישה,
woman,
איש,
man,
סבתא,
grandmother,
תינוק.
baby,
מספרים.
numbers,
0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
20,
20,
50,
50,
100,
100,
1000,
1000,
מטריה,
umbrella,
כובע,
hat,
נעל,
shoe,
כיס,
pocket,
ספר,
book,
מיטה,
bed,
עץ,
tree,
עלה,
leaf,
פרח,
flower,
מים,
water,
שאלות,
questions,
זהב,
gold,
בית,
house,
אש,
fire,
צלחת,
plate,
כדור,
ball,
חלב,
milk,
פסנתר,
piano,
סכין,
knife,
כף,
spoon,
תודה,
thank you,
לחם,
bread,
ביצה,
egg,
עוגה,
cake,
שזיף,
plum. Yay! You did it! You learned the first 100 popular words in Hebrew. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe for more fun lessons. And click the links in our description to get your printable flashcards and posters. Thank you for learning with us and see you next time. Bye bye.